If you don't act fast, your spouse could drain your bank account before you even file for divorce. Here's how to protect your money before it's too late. Divorce isn't just emotional, it's financial. If you don't take steps to secure your money now, you could find yourself with nothing when the process begins. From bank accounts to shared investments, your spouse may try to move, hide, or spend money before it can be divided. Let me share a story. One morning, our friend Elise checked their joint bank account only to find it gone. Mark had quietly withdrawn most of their savings, claiming it was for emergencies. Now Elise couldn't pay her bills or even hire a lawyer for the divorce. As the stress mounted, she was really in trouble. When Elise hired our firm, she was distraught, scared, and within 48 hours, we were able to file an emergency petition demanding the return of the funds. We showed the judge clear evidence of Mark's misconduct, and we were able to force Mark to return half the money and even pay her legal fees. Elise was so grateful we were able to secure her a great result in her divorce because we filed that motion. The biggest financial mistakes in divorce can happen at the start. Protect your money before it's too late. Call us today.